how to make Beeper account. Hey guys, today's video is showing you how to create a Beeper account. To create a Beeper account, all you need to do is open up our Beeper right here. Once we open up our Beeper right here, click on continue with email. After pressing continue email, we're gonna enter email right here. Then click on next. Then here, you can enter the code. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. There you guys, as you can see right now, we just enter the code and click on allow notification. After doing that, allow notifications, allow the notification right here. After doing that, we're gonna change our as you see right now, we can change our username if we want, but now we're just gonna keep it like that. Then click on next, and then after clicking on next right there, you're just gonna pick a username. So we're just gonna have to wait for a few seconds. On this guy is signing in. It's now signing us in. So there, so setting up our encryption. Then there you go, we can connect our chats account if you want. Connect our Google Message, Instagram Messenger, Telegram, and all of that right here. Connect it right there if you want here. Now we're just not gonna connect any of those. We're just gonna you know what, we're gonna connect some of them. I think we need to. So we're just gonna connect our, I think we're gonna connect our maybe Instagram right here. Or no, okay, we're just gonna connect our Instagram or maybe our Facebook. Let's connect our Facebook. Connect. Then it's connecting right now. We just have to wait for a few seconds. And there you go. Now we've connected it. There you go. As you can see right now, there you go. Messenger, place for meaning, conversation, and whatnot. Need to enter email and then password. And after we enter email and password, we'll now be connected and we'll have ourselves our account here on Beeper. Hope you guys like the video. Please enjoy. If you have questions, concerns, type it in the comment below, guys. Have it answered as soon as possible in here. How to rock it, guys, and thank you, guys.